Okay, in this video we are going to understand about set. Now first of all, let's try to make a very simple set. So I'll say let person, I'll use it as Avenger set equals to new set, and let's add some values. So I'll say Avenger set dot add Iron Man. I'll say Avenger set dot add Hulk. Avenger set dot add Thor. Yeah, I'm fine with these Avengers. I'll say console.log Avenger set. Now you may ask, Avinash, what is the difference here? It looks very similar to what we have learned in the previous video of map. Now let's try to find it out. So I'll say let Avenger map equals to new map, and I'll say Avenger map dot add set what should I say, the key value Tony. I'll keep it I'll keep it as Iron Man in map. Avenger map dot set hammer Thor in Avenger map, and I'll say Avenger map dot set angry Hulk in map. Console.log Avenger map. I'll save the file. Now obviously there is tiny bit of difference here. First of all, you can see in the set I have no way of putting keys. You can see in set I have no ways of putting key, but in map I have a way of putting keys. Secondly, if I'll try to add Avenger set dot add Thor, and I'll try to do similar thing here, and obviously instead of hammer I'll say hammer 1, because obviously we cannot have multiple same keys. Now I'll save the file, and now you can see we have a map where we have same value of Thor in map, but in set we don't have same value of Thor, we have only one Thor. So basically what happens, inside a set we can only have unique values. Inside a set we can have only unique values. Inside a map we can have same values more than once. The only difference is obviously we have to have the key. So this is what set